Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable TalkBack on your Poco X7 Pro. TalkBack is an accessibility feature from Android that will help visually impaired users navigate their phone by providing spoken feedback. It will read out notifications, buttons, and other elements on your screen, then it will making your smartphone more accessible and user-friendly. And okay, let's get started. First, just unlock your Poco X7 Pro and then just go to settings app like this. And then from here, on the settings app, just scroll down until you find for additional settings, this one. Just tap on it. And then in additional settings, just tap on accessibility, this one. Just tap on it. And then from here, just tap on visions tab, this one. And then in here on this tab, you will find feature that helps with visions, including TalkBack, this one. Just tap on it. And then on here, you will see a toggle switch at the top, this one. Just simply toggle it on until it turns blue, and then your phone might show a warning about talk, gesture, and navigation. But before you toggle it on, you can open settings, and then on here you can customize your gesture as you like. Over here you can learn the gesture to use this TalkBack, and when you're done you can just go back and then just toggle it on to activate it like this. Just tap on allow.
TalkBack on. TalkBack. Double tap to activate.
Like this. When it's on, TalkBack will start speaking out the items that you touch. For example, like this.
Settings 5 of 9. In list 9 items. Double tap to activate.
Like this. It will helping you navigate your Poco X7 Pro without needing to see this screen. And for tips, like for example, to scroll while TalkBack is on, you need to use 2 fingers instead of 1, like this. To scroll the screen like this, use 2 fingers, and then to select items, just double tap instead of single tap like this.
TalkBack settings. Double tap to activate. TalkBack.
Like
double
this.
Tap to activate.
And then to scroll the options, you can just swipe right or swipe left like this.
App info 6 of 9. About TalkBack.
Like this.
App info 6 of settings 5 of 9. Turned off. Shortcut settings. Switch 4 of 9. Double tap to toggle.
Like this. These gestures may take a little practice, but they make your device much easier to use if you have visual challenges. And okay, that's it. You have successfully enabled TalkBack on your Poco X7 Pro. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.